After 15 years, I came back not as a crew this time, but as a guest. This is Arvia, one of the largest XL class ships in the P&O Cruise fleet, a floating city with over 5,200 guests and 1,800 crew members on board. But for me, this ship is more than numbers. It represents a chapter of my life. I work with this company, P&O Cruise. I spent years working, learning, growing, and building friendship that still matter today. This time, I shared with my family and made it even more meaningful because now they could see where my journey began. Some places change your life, and even after years, they never leave your heart. Arvia and P&O Cruise, thank you for the memories and thank you for welcoming me back in P&O Cruise fleet, one of the largest ships in P&O Cruise fleet. Now just have a look. I'm playing with the chairs, and this is the sport deck and the lobby. The passenger is always waiting there when they are coming on board, and this is the casino going through. Now with my beautiful wife in clubhouse, I had the chance to meet my old colleagues, my friends, and most importantly, my executive chef. The same passion, the same energy, just like before, and same time with my friend on board. The culinary experience on board is still world class. Seeing it again from guest perspectives was something truly special. If you enjoy this journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Once again, thank you, P&O Cruise Lines.